Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with smartphone. In the beginning, enable Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi is enabled, let's go to VANTRUE app. Add device, 360 series, and connect to your device Wi-Fi. The password is usually 12345678. Once connected, go back to the app. Select your device, confirm, and it's done, we are connected. Thanks to the app, you can manage control panel, change change camera view, and go to settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.